Let us discuss second problem. Find dy by dx for the following functions. The first question is x equal to 3 cos t minus 2 sin cube t, y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Second one is x equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube, y equal to 3at square by 1 plus t cube. Third one, x equal to a of cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a of sin t minus t cos t. Fourth one, x equal to a into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, y equal to 2bt by 1 plus t square. Just you can observe x and y both functions in t variable. In that case, we can differentiating with respect to such independent variable and divide one to another. That is nothing but x and y are differentiating with respect to variable. What the function is involved the variable with respect to that variable. Why? Because the function is in that independent variable. So find out the dx by dt. Next find out the dy by dt. And divide one to another, dy by dt by dx by dt. Here dt get cancelled, we are getting the dy by dx. In that way, we can find out the derivative of the function y with respect to x. This is called as the parametric form. Okay, when x and y both are involved in another independent variable, so we can call it as the parametric form. Okay. So first we can take the question, that is, first question is given that x equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t, y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. X and y both functions are differentiating with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t on both sides. Both functions. So dx by dt equal to d by dt of 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. It is in the form of u minus v. So, d by dt of 3 cos t minus d by dt of 2 cos cube t. Here 3 is a constant, right outside. 3 into d by dt of cos t is minus sin t. Minus 2 is a constant, right outside. It is in the form of x power n. So, n into x square, like that. So 3 cos square t, again d by dt of cos t. It is equal to minus 3 sin t minus 3 to the 6 cos square t. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Just here again we can recall d by dt of cos t is minus sin t. And d by dt of u power n equal to n u power n minus 1 du by dt, using of those formulas. Okay, here it is dx by dt equal to minus 3 sin t is taking common. Here 1 minus into minus plus, when we can take the minus common means here minus 2 cos square t. 1 minus 2 cos square t equal to 2 cos square t minus 1. Multiply with negative 3 sin t into 2 cos square t minus 1. What is the suitable formula? 2 cos square t minus 1. It is equal to cos 2t equal to, we know that 1 minus 2 sin square t or 2 cos square t minus 1. So in the place of 2 cos square t minus 1 can be written as cos 2t. Dx by dt equal to 3 sin t into cos 2t. It is the dx by dt. The same way we can differentiating y function with respect to t variable. Y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Here dy by dt equal to d by dt of 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. It is also in the form of d by dt of u minus v equal to du by dt minus dv by dt. So write separately d by dt of 3 sin t minus d by dt of 2 sin cube t. Here we know that d by dt of sin t equal to sin t differentiation is cos t, and d by dt of u power n equal to n u power n minus 1 du by dt. Using of these formulas, dy by dt equal to 3 is a constant, sin t differentiation is cos t, minus 2 is a constant right outside, sin cube t means 3 sin square t into d by dt of sin t. It is equal to 3 cos t minus 3 to the 6 sin square t. Sin t differentiation is cos t. Taking 3 cos t is taking common, the remaining terms are 1 minus 2 sin square t. We know that cos 2t formula equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t. So here dy by dt equal to 3 cos t into cos 2t. Now divide one to another, that is dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, that is equal to dy by dt is 3 cos t cos 2t by dx by dt means in the reciprocal is dt by dx equal to 1 by 3 sin t cos 2t. So it will come in the denominator. So 3 sin t into cos 2t. Cos 2t, cos 2t, 3 get cancelled. It is equal to cos t by sin t equal to cot t. Therefore, dy by dx equal to cot t. Second one, x equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube, y equal to 3at squared by 1 plus t cube. Here x and y both are in the form of u of t by v of t. When we are differentiating with respect to t means we can apply the formula of d by dt of u by v equal to dv by dt into u minus u into minus v into du by dt by v square. Got it? The formula u by v. U by v equal to u by v formula v u dash minus u v dash by v square. That is v du by dt minus u dv by dt by v square. Okay. Here x and y both are differentiating with respect to t. Dx by dt equal to d by dt of 3at by 1 plus t cube. Okay. Here u by v means it is in that u equal to 3at, v equal to 1 plus t cube, u dash equal to du by dt. 3a is a constant, t differentiation is 1. V is differentiating with respect to 2t, 1 is the constant, differentiation is 0, t cube differentiation is 3t square, again t differentiation is 1. It is equal to v u dash minus u v dash. V is equal to 1 plus t cube, u dash is 3a minus u is 3at, dv by dt, v dash means dv by dt is 3t square whole by v square, 1 plus t cube whole square. Simplify. 3a plus 3at cube minus 3 3s are 9at cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. So here dx by dt equal to 3a minus 6at cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay. Next, dy by dt. Here dy by dt equal to d by dt of 3at square by 1 plus t cube. Here again we can take it as u and v. Here u equal to 3at square, v equal to 1 plus t cube. Du by dt equal to u dash equal to 3a into t square is 2t. V dash equal to dv by dt equal to 1 is 0, t cube differentiation is 3t square. This is u dash equal to 6at, v dash equal to 3t square. Is equal to v into, that is 1 plus t cube into u dash 6at minus 3at square into v dash is 3t square whole by 1 plus t cube whole square. This is equal to 6at plus 6at power 4 minus 3 3s are 9at power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. Then dy by dt equal to 6at minus 3at power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. Here it is the dy by dt, this is the dx by dt. Now we can take the differentiation with respect to x, means dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is 6at minus 3at power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square into dx by dt means denominator becomes numerator, 1 plus t cube whole square by 3a minus 6a t cube, 3a minus 6a t cube. 1 plus t cube whole square, 1 plus t cube whole square get cancelled. It is equal to, here we can take 80, 3at is common. So 2 minus 3at means 2 cube. 2 minus t cube. Here 3a common, 1 minus 2 cube. 2t cube. 3a cancel. This is equal to t into 2 minus t cube by 1 minus 2t cube. Okay. Here dy by dx equal to t into 2 minus t cube by 1 minus 2t cube. is the answer. Third one. Third one, the given x and y functions are involved in t variable, x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Now, both functions are differentiating with respect to t. So, dx by dt equal to d by dt of a into cos t plus t sin t. A is a constant right outside, d by dt of cos t plus d by dt of t sin t. Here it is in the form of d by dt of u plus v equal to du by dt plus dv by dt. Okay. Next, one more formula we are using, d by dt of uv equal to u dash v plus uv dash. Here it is u, it is v. This is for only one term, no worries. Here dx by dt equal to a is a constant for both the terms. Cos t differentiation, we know that is the minus sin t, plus t differentiation is 1, v is sin t, plus u is t, v dash means sin t differentiation is cos t, is equal to minus a sin t, or no need of after the simplification, a into here plus sin t minus sin t get cancelled, is equal to a into t cos t. So here dx by dt equal to at cos t. In the similar way, y is differentiating with respect to t. Here y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Here dy by dt equal to d by dt of a sin t minus t cos t. A is a constant right outside. Again apply the formula of u minus v, du by dt, that is d by dt of sin t minus d by dt of t cos t. Here also a is a constant right outside. Sin t differentiation is cos t. In this uv formula, u dash is t differentiation is 1 into cos t plus u is t, cos t differentiation is minus sin t. It is equal to a into cos t minus into minus plus t sin t. Plus cos t minus cos t get cancelled. So dy by dt equal to at sin t. Now divide one to another, dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, that is equal to at sin t by at cos t. At get cancelled, sin t by cos t equal to tan t. So dy by dx equal to tan t is the answer.